Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Squarespace for e-commerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to your Squarespace account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, select the website you want to configure for e-commerce. On the left sidebar, click on Settings. Scroll down to find the Commerce section and click on it. Choose Settings under the Commerce menu. Begin by setting up your store by clicking on Store Settings. Here, you will see the option to add your business information. Fill in your store name, address, and contact details. This information is important for legal and shipping purposes. Next, navigate to the Payments section. Connect to your desired payment processor, like Stripe or PayPal. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your account information. Once your payment information is linked, return to the Commerce settings. Click on Checkout to customize your checkout experience. You can choose to collect customer shipping addresses and set up tax rates here. Make sure to configure shipping settings under the Shipping tab. Add the regions you will ship to and set your shipping rates. Now, head back to the main Commerce menu and select Products. Click on Add Product to start adding items to your store. Choose between physical, digital, or service-based products. Fill in product details like name, description, and pricing. Upload high-quality images to showcase your products. Once your product is detailed, click Save to add it to your store. Repeat this process for all products you wish to sell. Next, go back to the website's main dashboard. Click on Design and then on Site Styles to start customizing your storefront. Choose your preferred fonts, colors, and layout options. This will help create a cohesive brand image. After customizing the design, navigate to the Pages section in the sidebar. Add a new page dedicated to your store if it's not already created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.